Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, this is the mods video for my car. This was a major update that I wanted, was the headlight.
Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know we miss your old self too. Silver once golden. There's only so much hope.
The first thing, as soon as I got the car, the thing that I planned was to upgrade the screen.
Oh wait, do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
I was also getting ceramic coating done for the car.
Feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry.
Then was the time for the installation of the dashcam.
Colors now faded. There's only so much hope in that. I can't do what I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes.
So big shout out to Ghuli Automobiles in Mysore, Mr. Sunil Ghuli, for arranging it for me in such short notice. So I got Exilite HID, that also was sourced by Mr. Ghuli. The power is mind blowing in those HIDs, and I like this dual setup. Like, I have whites for the projectors, yellows for the high beam, and yellows for the fog lamp, because in Coog a lot of mist and fog keeps coming up, and if you have pure white lights you can't see anything. So this is a well balanced setup. I can see properly, and the headlights look bomb. I think you've seen it by now. So yes, this is pretty much it. Now many of you guys have been asking me that am I going to do more mods to this car, or I'm going to keep it bone stock. Currently I'm drained out, guys. I'm not doing anything else to the car. I've already spent too much. So yeah, oh, I totally forgot, I also got the wheels changed. The tires that the car came in is a 65 profile, as I said in my previous video. Luckily the tires were brand new, so I got a complete flat exchange for 55 Yokohamas. So yeah, SS tires in Mysore, big shout out to them. I don't even like putting stickers on the car, guys, because I feel it's so clean. I'm not exaggerating. I just don't feel like putting anything. So yeah, I don't know. As I said, I have plans on buying electric, but not now, another 5 years. So for another 5 years, I don't think this car is going anywhere. It's going to be with me. I love it. I love the performance. I love the way it drives. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. I think I just hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe. I don't know when the next video is coming, guys. No promises made there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which mod you like the best. Let me know what you think. Should I mod it, or should I keep it like this? I think I'll take your opinion on that. So yeah, see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.